Another $8 filter just cost a property manager $1,000. Here's how it happened and how every property manager can stop it. I'm Mike Morelli from ResProof. I've been managing properties for many years. I see this same scenario destroy ROI over and over and over again. The HVAC system goes down, the tenant swears they changed the filter, tech pulls it out, obviously has not been touched in several months. Now you're staring at a $1,000 repair bill over an $8 filter. Another tenant chargeback dispute, your reputation with the owner destroyed, and your ROI bleeding. Unfortunately, this is not just a one-time thing. Look at some of these filters I've pulled from the properties. Every single one of them turned into an emergency service call. Time wasted coordinating the repairs, money wasted on preventable damage, but worst of all, trust destroyed when owners question if you're actually protecting their investment. We send the reminders, the tenants say they did it, but you have zero proof and zero control. Chargebacks absolutely don't solve the problem. They just prove to the owners that you were not in control, and meanwhile, their most expensive system is dying from neglect. Property managers need real instant proof that filters are actually being changed, and that's why I built FilterSync, AI-powered automated verification that ends the guessing game. Here's how it works in just 30 seconds, and then I'm going to show you exactly how you can get it for free. FilterSync sends automated text reminders to the tenants. They snap a real-time photo of the new installed filter. Our AI instantly verifies the date and condition. No more guessing games, no more chargebacks, no more disputes, just pure proof. You remember those surprise repair bills, the owners questioning your competence, the maintenance chaos? FilterSync turned that into automated compliance. Every single filter tracked, every single filter change verified, complete peace of mind. If you're a property manager tired of preventable HVAC failures, here's what I want you to do. Go to resproof.com, start your free trial today. No credit card required. Get your first 10 properties up and running and see just how fast this pays for itself. We're opening up a limited number of spots this month, so don't wait until your next HVAC emergency.